subscribe with notifications on.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm okay, how are you?
Very well, thank you, Mr. K. Yo, Mr. K,
Yeah,
there's this Dudula thing going on,
yeah.
but it's happening only in
Johannesburg.
one city.
Yeah, Johannesburg.
Yeah. Mr. K, did you see how empty the hospitals are?
Yes, I saw.
Did you see? I mean,
saw.
what Dudula is doing is something that our government was supposed to be doing.
Exactly.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Now that Dudula is busy doing what they are doing, there are parents who are now foreigners with no documents, South African legal documents, right? Now the government is supposed to stand up now. It's the right time now for them to stand up and help Dudula. You know why? To help Dudula take those people back home. Because why? What if something happens to them? Because what about the sick ones? What will happen to them?
Yeah.
Because now the government is supposed to stand up and say, okay, since Dudula is now taking these people out of the hospitals, blocking them from entering the hospitals, don't you think now the government is supposed to stand up and make sure that there is transport to take them back home, to make sure that at least they are safe at home? Because now, why were they allowed in the first place to come to South Africa with no papers? Because I believe if I travel to any country, I should have my papers with me, my documents with me. I cannot travel illegally, right?
Yeah.
If I travel illegally, obviously now I'm gonna be a problem in that country. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now I think our government, is their time now. They should stand up and assist South Africans who are now pushing this Dudula thing, so that they can take those people, make sure that they are safe home. They must make a plan to take them back home. Because what's the use of saying, no, it's not my people, why should I spend my money to take them home? It's not your people, but you are spending money to take care of them. Even now you are still spending money to take care of them, because in other provinces it's not, the Dudula thing is not happening. You understand?
Yeah,
South Africa is still spending money to take care of them. Even in jails, Mr. K, South Africa is spending money to take care of them. In schools, South Africa is spending money to take care of them. Why don't South Africa spend money once and for all, take them home?
Yeah, you know what, ne? I was looking at, there's a post that was posted by Fighter Rakadi on Twitter, right? There was a video that Mr. Musi Maimane actually posted. He's saying what Dudula is doing is wrong. That's what he's saying. He's saying what Dudula is wrong. So now I actually said to him, I actually responded, because what he's saying, why is Dudula actually taking only black Africans? He's not saying South Africans. He's saying black Africans. So what I said to him, Mr. Maimane, let me educate you. I don't know if you're going to watch this video, but let me educate you a bit, Mr. Maimane. I said on the comment, I said, I'm a traveler myself who traveled to many Asian and European countries 4 times a year. White Americans or Asian people, like you saying, before they travel, they buy return flight tickets. You know why they buy flight return tickets? Because they know they are going to a country that is not theirs. That's why they have a return flight tickets, because they know they need to come back home, right? Now, white Americans, right? They book flight tickets, return flight tickets, they book hotels or apartments, and then they have something called travel insurance. Travel insurance, which will cover them for any medical emergencies. Then we have our own African brothers and sisters who are coming from other African countries, and they come to South Africa. They are fleeing their country. They are not actually visitors. They are fleeing their country, coming to South Africa. Let me tell you what happened. 2004, I went illegally to UK. It was the first time I traveled. I was going to look for a job, right? I had a stand. I sold my stand for 25,000 rand. I took that money. I bought somebody to put me on a plane in Johannesburg, right? They put me on a plane without no visa, without nothing. What happened when I arrived in UK? To show you that South Africans, government don't care about their country. All they do is to care for their pockets. Those UK people, upon arrival, they checked, find out I didn't have proper papers. You know what they said to me? They said, sorry. They said, sir, you don't look like a legit tourist visitor in our country. We have now booked you a flight back to South Africa, where you came from. Imagine we left at 10 o'clock a.m. It's only 10 o'clock p.m. We arrived at 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning, right? When we got there, I had to stay the whole day. They put me in a small jail. Until then, I was returned back to South Africa. So now, when I leave my country, South Africa, and goes to Europe, Dubai, or any Asian or European countries, I make sure I get a visa which stipulates how many months or days I can stay in those countries. Before our visa expiry, we make sure we leave and go back to our country, South Africa. And if I am in a cruise ship with my family, I make sure we use our travel insurance, which will cover us from any medical care that might happen. Because emergencies are there. I don't need to go and rely on those Italian government. I don't have to go and rely on those Asian countries' government. Listen to me.
Mr. K, I like when we're in Thailand, and then we went to immigrations because we wanted more days to stay, more days, and we thought we could get like 30 days more. And then they said to us, no, we gave you enough. We're only going to give you 7 days in order for you to prepare so you can go home. Because now you had enough time with us in our kingdom. Now it's time for you to leave our kingdom. If you want to come back, you can come back, but we want you to step on your country first.
So this is what.
So I like how they responded to us.
Yes, this is how.
Why can't our country do the same thing?
No, the government.
Because Tina, this is what we get from other countries.
They eat with these foreigners. The foreigners come here. You know, let me tell you something. You know how empty right now our because of Dudula, our clinics are now empty. It's so satisfying when you go to the clinic now. These days, our clinics are empty. You know why? Our people don't get sick so often like the way these foreigners are getting sick. Because these foreigners, when they get here, they do funny things. They do drugs. They do a lot of things. And on top of that, those things, they make them sick. That's why they are full in those clinics.
Why isn't it? I was shocked when we got to this place. When we got to Dubai, Mr. K, there is no one sleeping on the streets. There's no street kids.
Yeah, exactly.
There is no street kids. Mr. K, I was shocked, I came there as a tourist, Mr. K. I went out thinking I will see other tourists or something. Mr. K, I saw people who are working, Mr. K. As I was walking to a train to go and enjoy myself with my family, I saw these people with serious faces. They are all from Africa. You could see they are mostly from Africa. Mr. K, you see them. They've got these serious faces. They are in a rush. They are working. Others are going out of the trains. Others are still going to work. Some are coming from work. So, Mr. K, for me, it was so sad.
You know why?
I just felt so sad. I don't know why, but it felt.
You know why?
It felt so uncomfortable for me. It was like as if I'm looking at the robots, Mr. K.
No, let me tell you something.
Going in and out of the train. Some are coming from work. Some are going to work. You never see people from that country going to work.
They don't work.
And
people in Dubai don't work. Local people don't work. Bus drivers, they employ foreigners. Police are foreigners. If you are a local person, you're not going to be qualified to be a policeman. in their country.
That government, Mr.
That
K, is
government
looking
is
after
so,
their
is so
people.
disciplined.
They look after their people.
They look after their people. Everyone there lives a good life. Everyone need to have a good life there. They make sure their people must have a good life. No one is supposed to work. No one wakes up in the morning and goes to work. Only foreigners. They only hire foreigners.
And strictly for work, Mr. K.
Exactly.
And they are so disciplined.
Exactly.
Mr. K, it was like as if I'm not looking at human people.
Exactly.
It was like as if I'm looking at the robots.
Our people
They
here.
are minding their business.
Exactly.
They are going in. Others are going out of the train. I assume those who are going out of the train, they are going home, or others are going. Yo, Mr. K.
And what I heard is that Dubai people, I think they don't pay tax. While in South Africa, they take our money, we pay tax, but still they cannot look after their people.
Mr. K, we must still pay tax. Why say we are trying in South Africa, Mr. K? We are trying. Mr. K, do you know what we pay tax, ne? On top of paying that tax, ne, Mr. K, you go to the garage to buy something, they still tax you. You go to ShopRite to buy something, they still tax you. Like, you don't get it. Like, how many taxes should come out of your money?
So, Mr. Maimani, ne? Mr. Maimani.
We really need to, South Africa, we really need to fix our country.
No, listen, Mr. Maimani, he is a government official. He was working for DA, right? He should know better. He should know better. We as South African normal citizens, we can think better than him. But yeah, now he thinks South Africans must just smile when they see these people coming from the other countries to come in and flee to come here and stay in our country illegally. On top of that, they need us to support them. It doesn't work that way. South Africans, there are countries like Hong Kong. You can fly to Hong Kong, free visa. When you get there, they give you visa on arrival. But you need to know, after that visa expires, you need to go back home. You can go to countries
and
like
you have,
Lumpur.
Mr. K, not just that, you must have a proof where you're going to sleep
Exactly.
until all those days that they give
they
you
need to
are
see
over.
You've got accommodation where your accommodation is booked and your return flight ticket is booked.
They want to see your bank statement as well. Do you have enough money to cater for yourself? If you're with your family, do you have enough money to cater for all of them? For the rest of your family?
People just come to South Africa, don't
Or
care.
if they cater for themselves, there must be proof that, okay, each of your family members have their bank statement proving that they will be able to cater for themselves when they get there.
But in South Africa,
before
what do
they
do?
can allow you to get into their country.
But in South Africa, what do you do? Now you want to blame Dudula. I know, guys. All right, guys. So I wanted to share that with you guys. We'll see again on our next video. Then we'll see how things goes. Then we'll keep on updating you guys, as time goes. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Mr. Sham, I don't think this thing at Dudula is gonna go anywhere because you know what, Nesham, they are not getting enough support.
No, the government is against them.
You can see even now, this thing is only happening in one area where Dudula is. And Sham,
in
it's
Cape Town,
so
happening.
satisfying to see how empty the clinics are.
Yeah.
I wasn't telling you, saying, you know what, Mr. K? I was even lazy to go to a clinic because you know why? It's cold. And then when you get there, you must wait outside. You
wake up at 3 o'clock.
You must be on the queue outside.
To go for a queue.
By the time you finally get to the counter for help, they tell you, we already have enough, too many people, so you must come back. And then they give you a date. When you check the date, it's too far.
So guys,
and you end up not going to the clinic at all.
So guys, we'll meet again on our next video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. And then please like, subscribe, and share our video.
If you're a foreigner, you're watching this video and you're thinking, these people, they don't like us. Not that we don't like foreigners. We love travelers. We love tourists in our country.
But you must come here legally.
Exactly.
Yeah, don't just come. Be prepared. Like I'm telling you now, when I leave, go to Europe, I need to make sure that I've got travel insurance. If I flee from here to Europe, do I expect life to be easy for me? It won't be easy because I flee my country. Now you want to blame South Africans what they are doing. No. So guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Next time, guys. Thank you.